Welcome back guys to another exciting video. So today's content is a bit different than our usual electronics one, as we are shifting the gear and diving directly into the world of welding. Yes, a crucial skill in the realm of robotics. As we know, robotics demand a blend of skills from various fields like electronics, mechanical and computer and all. But when it's come to shaping the body or the structure of the robot, welding takes the spotlight. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you some basics of the welding and also going to demonstrate use a welding process. So let's spark up the knowledge and dive right in. So let's get started. Here we have the electrode holder to hold the electrode rod, and then we have the welding rod also known as electrode rods, and then we have the welding helmet, which is most important for the safety. This is the arc welding machine which we are going to use for this video. Let's start the demonstration. In the arc welding, the electrical energy converted into the heat energy. The current passes through the workpiece and the electrode, which produce an electric arc. Due to the heat developed, both the electrode and the base plate get melted. The electrode and the workpiece brought nearer with a small air gap of below 3 mm approximately. This is the final product after welding process. As you can see, I joined these two rods from here doing the welding. This part is quite hot right now. On the back side, we have still pending. We have to weld right here again. But on the front side, the joint is properly welded. Now we need to remove the slack coating, or we call the black residue, by chipping the hammer on it. After the weld joint, now it's time to do a grinding on it to give it a final touch finish. Let's start. So after the grinding process, here's the final joint. As you can see, it's much finer and much finished look after the grinding process. We can improve it by doing some more grinding. So that's all for this video. Hope you understand the welding process.